Hello, I'm Tali Singh and I'm currently working as a legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today in this video, I will be discussing the concept of writs under Indian Constitution, and we will discuss what is the meaning of writ and what are the kinds of writ in this video. So let's start with the meaning of writ. A writ petition can be termed as a formal written order issued by a judicial authority who possesses the authority to do so. The literal meaning of word writ means command in writing in the name of the court. It is a legal document issued by the court that orders a person or entity to perform a specific act or to cease performing a specific action or deed. In India, writs are issued by the Supreme Court under Article 32 and under Article 226 by the High Court. So we can say that writ is basically a formal written order issued by anybody, executive or judicial, authorized to do so. Now let's move forward and understand the concept of writs under Indian Constitution. So fundamental rights are contained in Part 3 of the Constitution of India, including the right to equality, right to life and liberty, etc. Merely providing for fundamental rights is not sufficient. It is essential that these fundamental rights are protected also and enforced as well. To protect these fundamental rights in the Constitution, under Article 32 and under Article 226 provides the right to every citizen to approach to the Supreme Court or High Court respectively. Now let's move forward towards the types of writ and what are the kinds of writ under the Constitution. So Article 32 and Article 226 specifically provide for 5 kinds of writs. These writs are issued in different circumstances and have different implications. So first is habeas corpus. Habeas corpus literally means to have a body of. This writ is used to release a person who has been unlawfully detained or imprisoned. By virtue of this writ, the court directs the person so detained to be brought before it to examine the legality of his detention. So this writ is issued by the court in the cases where the person has been unlawfully detained or has been unlawfully imprisoned, and this writ is issued in order to release that person and brought that person before the court of law. This writ can be filed by a detained person himself or by his relatives. The writ of mandamus cannot be issued in the following circumstances, and those circumstances are: first, the duty in question is discretionary and not mandatory, and second, for the performance of a non-statutory function. Third, performance of the duty involves rights of purely private nature, and fourth, where such direction involves violation of any law, and the last circumstances is where there is any other remedy available under the law. In these circumstances, this writ of mandamus cannot be issued. Now the next one is the quo warranto. Quo warranto means by what warrant or by what authority. Through this writ, the court calls upon a person holding a public office to show under what authority he holds that office. If it is found that a person is not entitled to hold that office, he may be ousted from that position or from that office. Its objective is to prevent a person from holding an office which he is not entitled to, therefore preventing usurpation of any public office. It cannot be issued with respect to a private office. It can be issued only in respect of public office. The writ of quo warranto can be issued only in only when these conditions are fulfilled, and these conditions are: first, the public office is wrongfully assumed by the private person. Second, the office was created by the Constitution or law, and the person who is holding the office is not qualified to hold the office. And the third, the term of the public office must be of a permanent nature. And last, the nature of duties arising from the office must be public. So that's it for this video. We have completed 3 writs in this video, and the remaining 2 writs I will be discussing in my next video. So if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Thank you.